This one another fusion with Gauri Dewata Karya. This is not like a design project or like normally we work together as we are the designer and Gauri Dewata as the builder. Now we work together in one project that own with both party. So Gauri and Gauri Dewata Karya has this project together. This project design is still Villa Baru as the same. Because, if we do something in business and really good on the market, why would we do another design? Why would we make our work complicated? Let's make it simple. Like this project, Villa Baru, so many, everywhere Villa Baru. Just like Barefoot, just like Residence, like Bucu Villa, or we call Mira Villa, that owned by Brody and his friend, RAHDE that owned by Susan and Sibe, Barefoot that owned by Dennis, and Villa Baru that owned by Pak Wayan or Gauri Dewata Karya. This fourth project is a type of project that has a template. It would never change in theoretically, like the base, the main core is still the same, but in some part will be modified regarding the area. It's following the condition and situation. Example, if you build on the riverside, in the middle of the jungle or everything else, this is something that will be adjusted, but still with the same core concept. The main concept is still the same. So without any hesitation, let's directly discuss the project. So this villa is kind of slow. The progress is very slow because the first I was developed myself, and suddenly Pak Wayan decide to join together here. So this will be built on the land the size of the land is 174 square meter, which is a really average size for the type of Villa Baru that built only on the ground floor. Because this is Villa Baru has two types. The one that original and the one that adapt raw resident concept a little bit. So we built in the land size 174 square meter, which is kind of big. So we decided to put 2 bedroom, but only ground floor. Let's discuss about the area itself. This is the last plot villa that has a riverside and also a rice field, which is really nice. The only things that quite challenging is because beside the riverside, we still has another neighbor that can see us, that can see through this building. So we need to work on some part on the boundary. So the building area is 81.6. That kind of good, really efficient to have 2 bedroom with this size, because normally we have average size 120, but this one is only 81.6. It's already 2 bedroom. But the consequence by this size, I will tell you later. The pool deck is 29.5, the pool is 15.4, and the garden 26 square meter, and the parking is 13.9. That was the size, overall size for the project. Now let's go to the design side. So in the top area of the drawing will be the side where we can see the river on the top here. On the right side of the drawing will be the view to the rice field. So this is the condition. If you see the consequence by the size that shrink into 81 from 120 averagely for the 2 bedroom, you can see one of the bedroom is quite small and tight. We didn't even have space. We can actually, but it's kind of gonna be ruin the circulation and the function. So one of the bedroom won't have a proper bedside table, which is we can still add, but will not add there. And also the other bedroom. So it's kind of tight, but it's not really tight because we try to keep the circulation space really proper. So standard circulation space is 90. That was the best. So people walk through. So 2% you can measure by this. So this is around 60. So if 2 people passing by, we need 1.2. So 1% averagely 90, which is really good. But here, we move around 70, 60. That's going to be the circulation size. Kind of tight, but still okay. So from the entrance parking area, we have a big door as the main building entrance from the gate entrance. On the left side, we have a storage. You go to the hallway, the small hallway that leads you to the decking area. This is going to be really beautiful because when you go out, you see the decking, you see the pool, you see the rice field directly. So the main bedroom is on the right. If you're facing to the pool from the entrance, you go directly to the corridor. We have a shared bathroom there that's going to be used by the living space and also the main bedroom itself. We call it main bedroom because it's bigger, but the bathroom was shared. This is kind of something that really tingling, like in between. So the kitchen, we have like a U-shaped kitchen that integrates with the dining space, L-shaped sofa, which just has a beautiful view to the rice field. The pool is big. Compared to the other villa, with this type of a concept, this pool considered big. So the other bedroom is kind of tight. It's facing right to this riverside view. And we have a very efficient, I will say it's efficient, wardrobe compared to the other bathroom. And we have a standard bathroom setup, shower, sink, closet. So that was the setup for the building. This is only one level, ground floor. The size is really efficient. If we do early business development, this is the best, I think, we can do for the market, because we can get 2 bedroom with only 81 square meter. Can you imagine? And it's going to be really good in the market because in the building progress we can reduce the cost because the size is really efficient. But to compete in the market, we can sell in a good price. So this is kind of things that really work on the market and people loves it. Not only the builder, the buyer, and everyone will love the design. So that was the setup or the layout. And we will do an evaluation directly. I hope it can be sold soon. The issue now is we try to get rid of some part which is still green zone, because this will be leased by, we have a client that's going to lease this one. It's going to be, I think it's around, what is it called? 25 years lease. So we will see about that. But before that, let's check the animation to see how it goes for the design. Check this out. Okay, that was the evaluation and the review about the project that combined between both company, Gauri and Jakarta. The good news is we have the buyer already. From this profit, I will go to GOT, support my own villa, and I hope I can follow my brother step. Jakarta, I can follow the track there. We can go on the business directly. Because it's kind of sad if a doctor can cure the patient, but the doctor never cured his own illness. We need to cure ourselves. So I want to build my own building. I'm not only design it, but also build my own property. That's the goal. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in our channel in Gauri Art Division to see more video. Bye-bye.